Set exercise 3.3. Make correct statement by filling in the symbols subset or not subset in the blank space. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is subset of that set. A, B, C, B, C, D. It is not subset. And X such that X is a student of class XI of your school. X is a student of your school. It is subset. X is a circle in the plane. X such that X is a circle in the same plane with a radius 1 unit. It is not subset. X such that X is a triangle in a plane. X is a rectangle in the plane. It is not subset. X such that X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. X such that X is a triangle in the same plane. It is subset. X is an even natural number. X is an integer. It is also subset. And question 2. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. A, B, not subset of BC, that is false. A is subset of X is a vowel in the English alphabet. It is true. 1, 2, 3 subset of 1, 3, 5. It is false. A subset of ABC. It is true. A belongs to ABC. That is false. X such that X is an even natural number less than 6. X is an even natural number which divides 6. It is true. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which of the following statement are correct and why? 3, 4 subset of A. That is false. In false or incorrect. 3, 4 subset of that is correct. 1 is subset of A. That is incorrect. 1, 3, 5 belongs to A. That is correct. 3, 4 belongs to A. That is correct. 1 belongs to A. That is correct. 1, 3, 5 subset of A. That is correct. 1, 2, 3 subset of A. That is incorrect. It is incorrect. Next. 5 belongs to A. That is incorrect. 5 subset of A. That is correct. 5 is subset of A. That is incorrect. Write down the all subsets of the following sets. Its subset answer are A and 5. Subset of A, B. There are 5, A, B and AB. Subset of 1, 2, 3. Answer will be 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Subset of 5. There are 5. How many elements has power of A? If A equal to 5, then answer will be 1. Due to 5 is power of pi is 0 and subset is subset. Number of subset, because number of subset to the 0 equal to 1. Write the following as intervals. X belongs to R minus 4 less than X less than equal to 6. That can written as minus 4 open bracket 6 close bracket. X belongs to R minus 12 less than X less than 10. Written as open bracket minus 12 minus 10 open bracket. X belongs to R 0 less than equal to X less than 7. That is close bracket 0 open bracket 7. X belongs to R 3 less than equal to X less than equal to 4. That written as close bracket 3 open bracket close bracket 4. Then write down the following intervals as set builder for. Answer will be such that minus 3 greater than lesser than x lesser than 0. It is answer x such that minus 6 lesser than equal to x lesser than equal to 12. Its answer will be x such that 6 lesser than equal to x lesser than equal to 12. Its answer will be x such that minus 23 lesser than equal to x lesser than 5. Then what universal sets would be proposed for each of the following? First, between the set of right triangles, set of isosceles triangles. The universal set for these two sets will be the set of triangles. Given the sets A equal to 1, 3, 5, B equal to 2, 3, 2, 4, 6 and C equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, which of the following are may be considered as universal sets for all the three sets A, B and C. First it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this set all elements of A, B and C are all not present, so it is not. In 5 files are not universal set. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is can be a universal set for ABC because it should have all elements of A, B and C. Then come to next IV A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That can be also universal set because it consists all the elements of set ABC.